Wall Street's main indexes closed lower on Monday, with the Dow dropping just under 0.5%, the S&P 500 shedding more than 0.33%, and the Nasdaq ticking down modestly. Treasury yields gained as investors waited nervously for the Federal Reserve's policy decision due on Wednesday. Rob Hayworth is Senior Investment Strategy Director at U.S. Bank Asset Management Group.
The down market today, I think, reflects two things. One, lots of uncertainty as we head into the Fed's meeting tomorrow with the conclusion on Wednesday. And two, higher interest rates are really starting to pressure those interest rate sensitive elements of the market, which is hurting elements like the Dow a little more than the S&P 500. So we're seeing a challenge really across that. And yet it was the interest rate sensitive elements of the market that have been the strongest performers to start the quarter. Utilities, healthcare, things like that. That's what we're seeing back off as investors just kind of probably retrench, waiting to hear what the Fed has to say about, is it one more cut and then we're going to take a pause, or is it one more of a series of cuts as we head into the end of Chair Powell's chairmanship in May?
Stocks on the move Monday included Paramount Skydance, which gained 9% after it announced its more than $108 billion hostile bid to buy Warner Brothers Discovery. The move was an attempt to outbid Netflix, which appeared to strike a deal with Warner Brothers Discovery last week. Paramount's announcement sent shares of Warner Brothers more than 4% higher, while shares of Netflix sank more than 3%. Elsewhere, shares of chipmaker Marvell Technology ended 7% lower after used car dealer Carvana beat it to securing a spot in the S&P 500. Carvana shares rallied 12%. And shares of Confluent soared 29% after IBM said it will acquire the data infrastructure company for about $11 billion.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.